Breaking news. A magnitude 8.8 megathrust earthquake struck off Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, the strongest in the region since 1952. Tsunami warnings were issued across the Pacific, from Russia and Japan to Hawaii and French Polynesia, though most waves stayed below 3 meters. Kamchatka itself saw waves between 5-6 meters, with minor flooding in towns like Severo-Kurilsk, but no major casualties reported. That epic quake also triggered a volcanic eruption at Klyuchevskoy volcano, a dramatic reminder of the Ring of Fire's power. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe, everyone.